Till then, I'm hustling, till I'm number one, no discussion. You thought you was, but you wasn't. You hit on me cause I'm buzzing. That's your auntie and cousin.
Hey, what is up guys? Back again with a brand new video. And so today, we're going to be doing something that has like kind of been done before, I guess, but not for the same purpose. And if you couldn't tell by the title and the thumbnail, today we're going to be making the Supreme Louis Vuitton box logo for only $1. $1. That's it. Now, the purpose for this video and to make this shirt is kind of a little bit of a secret, but if you guys have any idea about what it could be for, comment down below and I'll let you know. But I will be using this in about a week. Don't forget to enter into the Supreme giveaway I have going right now. It is ending in a few weeks for good, so make sure you guys get those entries in, and also make sure you guys share this video. Like this video, smash the like button. Let's try and get 50 likes on this video. I know we can do it. Other than that, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and just make this box logo shirt already. Like, I'm actually kind of excited. I know it's fake obviously, but it is for a project that has kind of been like in the works for a while now. And honestly, I wish it had moved a little bit quicker and I wish I had more to the project. But I think it's still gonna turn out really nicely. So let's go ahead right now and pop it in the washer and dryer. And then let's go ahead and print out what we need to actually make the box logo.
A few moments later.
In order to make this box logo t-shirt, you are going to need a t-shirt obviously, and there you go, there's the proof that it was $1. Found it at Walmart for $1. They had a couple different colors. I am using white because it'll just stand out more. Now, this is what I'm going to use. I know it says for dark transfers, but I'm just using a white t-shirt. I had these left over from like 2 years ago. You're not supposed to use old ones, but I mean, it's whatever. Alright, so now we have our shirt and we have our box logos right here. I printed out 2 of the same size and then one of the smaller one, just in case I needed a smaller one, but honestly, I think I'm gonna use the bigger one. I think that'll look more accurate. I'm not sure. I'll have to like measure it out once I cut it out. Alright, so the next thing I have to do, I have this little table right here. It's just like a TV tray. And in order to get the box logo on there, I have to put pillowcase down onto the table, iron the pillowcase, get all the water out of the iron, which I already did, start heating it up, which as you can see, it's starting to heat up now. And then what I have to do is put the shirt onto the table, so the shirt right there, onto the table, and then I have to take this box logo right here. I have to put a piece of paper over it that came with this paper, the transfer paper. Then after I put that onto there, I have to iron it in a certain direction, and it is a lot of steps, so hopefully I don't mess up and hopefully this turns out okay. But let's go ahead and iron this on now, because if I don't do it now, it'll never get done. Alright, so now I have the box logo onto there, and then I have the transfer paper on top of it, and hopefully this works out well. I'm a little bit nervous. Honestly, I'm not sure what to expect. Alright, so I did move it down a little bit more from where it was, and so now I'm going to go ahead and actually do the ironing. Now we just have to wait 2 to 3 minutes to let this dry, and then we will see what it looks like when it's done. Right, so I'm gonna try and remove this. It says to do it from like the top corner to the bottom corner. Alright, so I feel like I kind of messed up the white one. I may still wear it, and I'm gonna like try it on and everything and see how it looks. But I do have a second one right here, this black shirt. So I do have a second decal as well, or whatever you guys want to call this, transfer. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another one. And I mean, it only takes a couple minutes, so it's not that big of a deal. In the end, we're just gonna look at the two of them. I think the black one's probably gonna turn out a little bit better because the box logo will be higher up on the shirt, which is a little disappointing, but we're gonna make it work. Alright guys, so that is going to be the end of this video. Not many people can say that they have two Supreme Louis Vuitton box logo t-shirts. I mean, now I can. But as you guys can kind of see, like the black one turned out a little bit better than the white one. I'm not exactly sure what shirt I'm going to use in the project or whatever. That's what we're gonna call it for now. Let me know down below what you guys thought of this video, what you guys think of the shirts, how you think they turned out. Let me know if you guys are gonna do this as well, and definitely let me know like on Instagram or whatever if you actually go through with it, because I always like seeing when you guys like send me pictures of stuff that you've done after I've done it. I have had a couple people send me like the graduation cap, which if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you guys go check it out. But a couple people have made this, a couple people have made the Supreme bat that I made. No one has made the Supreme pool yet, but we'll see. Hopefully someone will out there. So for the last time, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to enter in the Supreme giveaway below. And of course, before we officially close out this video, we have a shout out to give. If you guys would like a shout out, make sure you guys comment on the video below, and one of you will get a shout out in the next video. So this shout out goes to Ben Matcha. He literally kills it. He's always posting everything. Make sure you guys go check out his channel, link down below. Thank you for the comment, thank you for the support. I always see you on my channel and everything. So like I said, if you guys want a shout out, just comment down below. You have a chance for next video. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you thought of it. Let me know what you guys think of the shirts. And other than that, I will see you guys next time with a new video. Oh, bye.
I done been through dark times. Always find a flashlight. I'm just tryna reach the top till I know what that's like.